Welcome to the Create Lab. This video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to create a button using Fireworks. You could use Flash or Photoshop. Pretty easy, simple to do in any one of them. You want to create a new document, Control N, and we'll just make this 300 by 300. And we're going to draw a square. 100 by 100, 100 by 100, and let's make it dark green. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is holding down the Alt key, click and drag. That'll make a copy, and we're gonna resize this one down to 96 by 96, and we're gonna place a gradient filter on this, a linear gradient, and we'll adjust our colors here. You can use any colors you like. I'm just, for this tutorial, using green. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is, if you hit Control and plus, you can zoom in. We just want to center the smaller square on the original square, and that looks about right. Okay, now we're gonna use a solid text, white, and type whatever you want. Just gonna type in home. Okay, and center the text, and you can do whatever effects you want to the text, but I'm not gonna do anything in this tutorial. I'm gonna focus on the button. Okay, and the last thing we need to do here is draw an ellipse or a circle like so, about halfway across, and drop the opacity down to about 40%. And one more thing here, we're going to throw a glow onto that circle, a white glow. Alright, now if you select everything and hit Control G, it'll group it together, and Control C to copy it, and Control N to open a new document, and we'll make this new document 100 by 100, which was the size of our original square. Now we're just going to hit Control V to paste this work into here, and just center it, and voila, there you go. There's one of the buttons that you'd find on createlab.com, one of the little quick launch buttons. And I hope you enjoyed this. You know, it's quick and dirty, but it is what it is. Thank you. Bye.